All right, so here's our video direction for observing fur traits and temperature in the sim. So our goal is to observe why distribution of fur traits can change over time. So click the sim link here or here, and then we're going to go to mode fur and temperature A. So I've already got my sim loaded. Remember how you switch is right here. So food, fur, and temperature A. So this one right here, the third one down. Are you sure? Yes. Okay, so now I need to go back to my directions. We're going to change the temperature to cold level 1 by moving the temperature slider. So remember, right here, it's at 8, and I want to take it to 1. You'll know you have if it says a 1 here, and it becomes this dark blue in the background. All right, press run and observe the population at least 50 generations, and then we're going to press analyze and compare. All right, so sorry guys. Okay, so I'm going to press run. So a couple things here. First of all, we're going to be here forever if I leave it on ×1 till we get to generation 50. So you want to go to ×4 and let it go to 50. The other thing is you cannot change tabs. So watch what happens. It's going through the generations. If I change tabs, I go to my notebook, I come back, it's paused. It's like screen Edpuzzle. Don't know why, it just does it. All right. All right, I paused the video and just fast forward to the point where I'm at generation 50. If you go past 50, it's no big deal. So just get to somewhere around 50 and it'll be fine. So now we're going to press analyze. Okay, so let's see. If you have time, press the repeat and see it. You can observe it again. What you're going to notice looking at my graph is that you might get a slightly different graph than me, and that is okay. We're going to take a screenshot of whatever graph you got. So take a screenshot of this on your Chromebook. It's going to look a little different, but that's okay. So the original bars, this bar, like right here with the line through it, these are the original population. If I go back to the beginning on the slider, this was the Australope population that we started with. Then we made the environment cold, and over time, things changed. So the blue bars are what we ended with. So there's no more. All of the ones with level 1 and 2, they died. The ones where the blue bar is above that original bar, that means that those traits increased. More of those traits were passed on. So there's a little bit with level 3 still, but it looks like that's going down. And then for some reason, there's not some with 6 or 7. I'm going to assume that when you do it, you're going to get some with 6 or 7. Mine's just a weird fluke situation because that happens in nature. Anyways, take your screenshot here. And then we're going to answer the 2 questions. Why do you think the distribution of traits changed over time? The bar graphs don't match. Why do you think they changed? And I did put a frame that you can copy and paste into the box if you want. And then fill in the dots, meaning you need to fill in the rest of the part. Okay, put it back there before I forget. And then which trait became more common over time and why do you think that happened? So there are more Australopes with what level traits, which levels, than in the beginning. I think this happened because. Why do you think that happened? Remember, think about what it started with and what we changed. It started with a hot temperature at that level 8, and we made it to a level 1. All right, those are the directions.